Hey guys, so I just sold my car in order to buy more stocks. Let me tell you about why I'm doing this. So as you guys have probably noticed, this has been a terrible year for the stock market. The S&P 500 is down almost 20% year to date. Tesla has lost nearly half of its value from its all-time high last year. Bitcoin is worth less than a third of what it was back in November. And a ton of people have hit the panic button and taken everything out of the market altogether. So with all that happening, why am I still buying? And why, in fact, would I sell my car in order to buy more? Well, the answer is simple. Sell high, buy low. That's the classic mantra of investing, but most people are afraid to do that because they don't know what's going to happen in the future. Now, I don't know how low the stock market is going to go, but I do know that due to supply chain shortages, I've had an opportunity to sell a car that I bought 4 years ago for basically the same price as I bought it, minus the taxes and fees. But don't worry, I'm not completely without a vehicle. I bought a car that has a lot less amenities, but is just as safe and reliable, but it cost half as much. And sure, I'll lose money on that one as it depreciates value, but I was going to lose money on my car anyways. And considering the fact that it was basically half the price of my other car, whatever percentage I might lose on its value is less overall. Let's say, for example, that I bought one car for $20,000 and another car for $10,000. If I lose 10% of value over the next 2 years, I will have lost $2,000 on that $20,000 car, but only $1,000 on the $10,000 car, meaning I've been able to keep an additional $1,000 to invest in the market. I've also taken on temporary part-time work to gain additional income so that during this opportunity, I can invest more using that cash as well. Now, to be clear, I don't know how far the stock market is going to fall. And I'm also not piling all that money in at once. I'm simply using it to add to my already reoccurring investments in the stock market. Now, I'll probably continue to do this as long as the Federal Reserve is continuing to hike interest rates. Most experts believe that once they start to U-turn, that's when the market will begin to recover. But let me know what you think. Are you buying in right now? What are your thoughts? Thanks, guys.